Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the equation of a curve given an expression for the gradient. So the question that we have says the gradient function of a curve is given by 5x minus 2. Find the equation of the curve if it passes through the point -3, 7. So what we are given in this question is an expression for the gradient, which we write like this: dy dx is equal to 5x minus 2. So this is what we are given in this question, an expression for the gradient, which we call the gradient function, which we also call dy dx. So the question further goes on to say find the equation of the curve if it passes through the point -3, 7. So the first step that you do is to differentiate or to integrate this function that you have. So we are going to integrate this function. So we are going to integrate dy dx, which will give us 5x minus 2. So we integrate on both sides with respect to x. So this side here, we are just going to have y. And then according to the laws of integration, this x has a power of 1. So you add a 1 to the power, you are going to have 5x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 minus 2x, because it's a constant, so it will have an x plus c. So when you don't have the limits here, always remember to put the constant of integration. So at this stage now we are going to simplify. Y is equal to 5x squared over 2 minus 2x plus c. Okay, so here we have our equation of the curve. So the only thing that we need now is to find the value of c by using the point here that we are given, -3, 7. So we are going to substitute -3, 7, -3, 7. So -3 is x, 7 is y. So we are going to substitute in this equation that we have found here. So where there is y, we are going to put 7. So 7 is equal to 5. Where there is x, we'll put -3 squared minus, or here over 2, minus 2 times -3 plus c. So 7 is equal to, and then you square, -3 squared is -3 times -3, which is 9. So you're going to have 5 times 9 over 2. Then here negative times negative will give us a plus. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus c. And then you can continue simplifying. 5 times 9 is 45 over 2 plus 6 plus c. Okay, 6 here plus c. Okay, so now when you reach this stage now, you collect like terms. So there's 7 here, so you move all these. 45 over 2 and 6, you move them this side. So you're going to have 7 minus 45 over 2 minus 6. So when these two here, which are positive, when they cross the equal sign, they will become negatives, is equal to c. And so you write this one as a fraction, even this one as a fraction. And then now we are going to find the common denominator and solve. Okay, so here we are going to have 7 over 1 minus 45 over 2 minus 6 over 1 is equal to c. So the common denominator here is 2. All these numbers in the denominator here can be divided into 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. 2 times 7, you have 14. Minus 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 45, you have 45. Minus 1 into 2 is 2. 2 times 6, you have 12. Is equal to c. And then we can simplify on top here. So 45 or 14 minus 45, we are going to have -31. -31 minus 12, we are going to have 43. So we are going to have negative 43 over 2. Okay, so make sure you check it out with your calculator here, just to make sure that what we have is actually 43 here. So let's do it again. 14 minus 45, we have 31. So 31 there, negative 31. Negative 31 minus 12 here, which is 43. Yes. So our C is negative 43. And so what we are going to do now is just to replace now our C into this equation that I've put in a rectangle here. This one here in a rectangle. So we are going to have, therefore, the equation of the curve will be y is equal to 5x squared over 2 minus 2x. And then here, since we have a plus and our C is negative, so we are going to have minus 43 over 2. And so this is how we find the equation of the curve. Thank you very much for paying attention. We end here.